Hey, I'm Linky. I've been exploring faceless AI related content. And honestly, running a YouTube channel is way harder than I thought. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support really keeps me going. Today, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut AI template. CapCut is packed with AI templates that create viral content in seconds, but 90% of users are missing out. Here are 3 examples you could try. You don't need to be good at editing, just follow me. First, open CapCut and tap on the template button at the bottom left corner. You'll see tons of trending AI templates. The first one, AI portrait. Just upload your photo. You'll turn into a digital artwork in seconds. It's kinda magical, like seeing another version of yourself. Next one, AI hair color. You can instantly try different looks like blonde, pumpkin, black, or burgundy, all with just one tap. It's super fun if you want to see which color fits you best before actually dyeing your hair. And the funniest one, the fake boyfriend filter. Just upload your selfie and it will generate a realistic couple video of you. You can prank your friends or just see what kind of boyfriend you get. So it's your time to give it a try. And you can get 7 days of free pro of CapCut with the link in the description. See you next time.